Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So for this video we will apply screen protector on Xiaomi Mi Band 2. So we have everything we need. We have screen protector, we have Mi Band 2, and we have cloth to clean the display. So first of all you need to clean the display. So to remove all oil and dust so that screen protector you can apply it better. So leave it for now. So we got, as you can see, we got two screen protectors. So one will be enough for now. And they also send you can, if you don't have something like this, you can clean with these two. But I will use this one more. So make sure to clean it good before applying screen protector. So you need to remove first this side one and then apply it. Just let's see. So you can remove it. To apply it even better, you can remove it from the vent. And as you can see, it is applied good. So that's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching.